Hello mga kabayan, ito na lang po yung Junjun at meron na naman po ako nakitang video kung saan magre-react na naman po ako, no? Kasi hindi ko pa alam kung ang video na to ay bago o luma, basta nakita ko lang po siya at magre-react ako kasi tungkol po ito kay Senator Villar at Senator Hontiveros na ang pinag-uusapan nila dito is tungkol sa bigas, ng importation ng bigas. Pero ang dating po kasi sa akin hindi parang ang hirap po makaintindi ni Senator Risa Hontiveros. Or pilit niyang iniintindi yung isang bagay na sa kanyang pagkakaintindi lang. Parang ganun. Ewan ko. So mag-react kayo mga kabayan, mag-comment, Kasi ang klaro naman nung sinasabi ni Senator Cynthia Villar, Kasi abogado naman siya. So may mga sinasabi siyang paulit-ulit na paulit-ulit ding namang parang sinasabi ni Senator Risa yung side niya. Alam ko naman, naintindihan ko naman na ito yung gusto niyang gawin, ganito, ganyan. So kina-clarify lang ni Senator Cynthia Villar na hindi nga pwede yung ganito. Dapat ganito ang gagawin. Pero inuulit niya pa rin. So, kayo po ang mag-react, kayo po ang mag-comment, umusga dito sa video na to at ano bang tingin nyo kay Senator Risa Hontiveros. Kasi ako po, pag sinabihan ako ng isang beses na ganito lang, ganyan, di maintindihan ko na, okay, hindi ko na ulitin yung point na yon or yung tanong na yon or yung statement na yon. Di ba po? So, ito po ulit, si Junjun. Junjun is in.
Importers, traders.
No.
Yes, Mr. President.
We cannot accept that. We don't want NFA to buy from private importers. The purpose kung hindi mababa ang pagkabili, kaya nga government to government without tariff para bumaba ang price of the imports. Kasi this is meant to solve the high prices of rice in the country.
I appreciate that, Mr. President. Naghahanap lang ako ng mechanism na kasabay ng negotiated na G2G importation, may kahit papaanong measure ng transparency and public information. Sabi nga ng good sponsor, ipapublish ito. Saan po at paano ito ipapublish? Para
Maybe you
malaman
can
ng
make
publiko.
an amendment that we should publish
Salamat.
importation, emergency importation magkano so that the people will know.
Salamat, Mr. President. Mag-craft po itong representasyon ng proposed amendment for the consideration of the good sponsor at the proper time. And in fact, for the record, Mr. President, if government importation is inevitable, I will propose safeguards that will make the process transparent and accountable, consistent with the revised Government Procurement Act. Kapapasa din natin, so pwedeng maging companion measure ito in these aspects. Bidding with an approved budget contract based on the average price per metric ton in the international
There
market.
is no bidding.
Yes, good sponsor.
It's government
Ayun na
to
nga po.
government negotiation, but we should publish the amount so we will know kasi there is an existing importation of rice by the private sector and it should not be higher than that.
Yes. Sige
It
po.
should be always lower kasi walang tariff to at government to government to.
So at least, Mr. President, may indication na ako sa good sponsor kung ano yung mga amendment na posibleng hindi nila tanggapin. Pero I will just make of record yung sanang ipopropose ko. And ngayon, with the advice of the good sponsor, kung paanong pwede kong i-adjust yung ipopropose kong amendments.
I-publish na lang para makita, transparent, and then we can compare it with the not above. We can indicate that it should never be above what is the existing price. It should always be lower than the existing price of rice, which is imported by the private sector with tariff.
Yes, Mr. President. I-make of record ko na lang sana yung tatlong ipopropose ko later on at the proper time, pero taking under advisement yung payo ng good sponsor on publishing, comparison of the prices, at yung principle na siyempre dapat
Should be lower.
dapat laging mas mababa yung presyo. So just for the record, at this point in time, dahil nasa interpellation pa lang naman tayo, I was going to propose and will now study paano i-adjust itong proposed amendments given the advice of the sponsor. Una, bidding with an approved budget contract based on the average price per metric ton in the international market as published by 3 credible international rice or food monitoring agencies. Pangalawa, bidding with at least 3 rice exporting countries participating, or in this case, 3 governments. And last but not the least, same-day or real-time bidding with bid offers, rejection, request for second or third offer and approval done in the same day. So ito po yung tatlong original sanang ipopropose ko at the proper time, pero ititignan ko paano ma-adjust given yung
There
advice
will
na
be no
ibinigay ng
bidding,
good
but it
sponsor.
should be lower than,
Should be lower than that.
any transaction being done by the private sector with tariff.
Okay. Well taken, Mr. President.
So ayun na nga po mga kabayan, no? Napanood na natin yung video. So ano sa palagay nyo? Mahina ba ang pick up ni Senator Rintiveros o meron ba siyang gustong ipilit ng pagkakaintindi niya sa isang bagay? No? Kasi ang sinasabi ni sa pagkakaintindi ko maaari din pong mali ako, no? Pero sa pagkakaintindi ko, ang sinasabi lamang ni Senator Cynthia Villar is na kaya government to government ang pag-uusap sa pag-i-import ng bigas kasi unang-una walang tax ba, ganun, walang tariff, kaya government to government. Pangalawa, kailangan mas mababa ang importation price sa kung ano man ang price na meron sa market. 'Di ba? Para mababa natin makuha, may bibigay sa mamamayan ng mas mura. Okay? So parang may gusto kasing ipabago si Senator Risa Ontiveros. Alam ko naman na maganda yung intention niya, no? Pero ang sinasabi nga ni Senator Villar is hindi pwede yung mga ganong sinasabi mo. Okay? Kailangan government to government, hindi pwedeng private ang importer. Okay, kasi nga kailangan mababa yung price, kaya siya government to government. At walang bidding. Hindi dapat mag-bidding kasi nga government to government, walang bidding. Kasi alam ko pag may bidding is mga private yan or parang mga middleman, kaya nga nagbi-bidding, di ba? So ang importante, sinasabi ni Senator Villar is mababa ang price. Di ba po? So again po, ito si Junjun. Junjun is out.